For the size loader, we have the right size Grizzly designed to be a perfect match to maximize your results. At BLUELINE, we give you the performance you expect and the results you deserve. Contractors, municipalities, and rental companies choose BLUELINE for many reasons. It is the only viable machine that is self-cleaning, dynamic dampening, and offers multi-sizing options. From our farm and garden class to our heavy-duty rental-grade options, each Grizzly is built to handle the heaviest jobs with ease. This is equipment that saves time, cuts costs, improves safety, and adds production value. BLUELINE Rock Grizzly, passion for performance that gives results you can trust.
Rock Grizzly, come on, get your split on.